So how long does it usually take to write a song? I actually still have a song that is not written, is not finished. Like the melody has gone through multiple transitions, okay? The lyrics are partly done, and I started writing this song probably 7 years ago. Okay? so it's one of those things that from time to time you'll get a melody, you'll get a really strong chorus. Actually, this song had a really strong verse and bridge, really powerful, and I even had most of the lyrics for that, but it didn't have a strong chorus. It was weak, and I knew it was weak, and I just didn't want to waste the powerful verse and bridge on just a mediocre chorus, because as we all know, the chorus is really the gold of a song. Okay, that's the hook. Usually that is where you're going to captivate and capture your audience, is the chorus. And I just didn't feel like I had a strong enough chorus, so I let it sit. I let it sit for a long time, and then I would say about 6 months ago, I got a really strong chorus that I was really, really happy with. And I'm like, yes, and I'm gonna write, like, I had some lyrics, but the main issue with this song was it was very personal, like really, really personal. So I wanted it to be perfect. And that's what happens sometimes with songs that are very personal, and that, I really want to communicate something clearly, fully, and exactly in the way that I want to communicate it, because it's that personal to me. So when a song is not very personal and I'm just writing it, I'm really excited about it, I love it, but it's not about like a family member or someone that I really care about. It's just a song, which doesn't mean that it's not important. It doesn't mean that it's not like something that I'm going to put a lot of effort into, but it doesn't have that personal connection. So I'm not gonna sweat it or worry about it that much, to that extent, that every word has to communicate what I want it to communicate. So look, at the end of the day, it depends on the song. How long does it take? I've written a song in an hour. And the other extreme would be what I just told you now, 7 years, okay? So I've written everything in between. And like I've mentioned in another video, I also marry bits and pieces from different times. Like I'll have a great verse, I'll let it sit, and then I'll get a chorus and I'll marry them together. So that happens as well. Okay, so it'll take whatever it takes, unless you're in time constraints and sometimes there's a deadline on it. Well, you better get writing. Okay, otherwise let the song come when it comes.